Meaning of gold foil.
Gold foil.
Gold foil.
Gold foil.
Gold foil. Gold foil refers to a thin sheet of gold that is commonly used for decorative purposes or as a material for gilding. It is often made by pounding gold into a very thin layer, sometimes only a few microns thick. Due to its reflective and ductile properties, gold foil has been used in various applications such as jewelry making, art restoration, and bookbinding. The use of gold foil can add a touch of elegance and luxury to everyday objects or artworks, making them more visually appealing and valuable.